this is Porphy's favorite flavor of cake, and this is a keto cake. This is called chocolate, what? Chocolate something. Porphy is the one who's going to cut the chocolate cake. Oh, sige.
Chocolate cake. And
Oh.
this cake belongs to Jack?
No, also to you. To the three of us. Kasi, oh, yan. Okay, cut mo, oh. Then, another cut. Daddy, kumuha ka lang ng platito. Dalawang platito para ipapakita yung dalawang cut ng cake. Platito, platito, platito.
Una ko na.
Yan, oh. Wow. Wow, this is a fudge cake. This is a fudge cake. Look at the side. Look at the chocolate. Close up mo. Close up mo. A fudge cake.
Here's the platito.
Another. Meron po lang isang white. Wala na. Oh, this is a fudge cake. Okay. Then the other one is a, what do you call this? Oh. So this is the fudge cake. Oh. Get the other one. This is the, ano ba yun?
Here.
Ano yung kay Monica Lewinsky? Anong pangalan nun? Yung gusto niya?
Rico's lechon.
Hindi.
LR's.
Hindi. Yung pagkain ni Lewinsky na dessert. Monica Lewinsky.
Creme brulee.
This is a creme brulee. Oh, this is a creme brulee.
Creme brulee cake?
Yes. Yes, this is just like Daddy's favorite. Yung sa green na, sa green. Because this is yellow eh. Oh, see that? Oh, there's, what do you call, this is creme brulee na keto. See that? That side, that is white. Like an angel. Lolo Porfirio is an angel. He was very good to your dad. So now we're about to start eating everything. That is for the celebration of Lolo Porfirio's 114th birthday.
114th birthday.
Happy birthday again, Lolo Porfirio.
Again, Lolo Porfirio.
May you rest in peace.
May you rest in
Amen.
peace. Amen.